Alright, so I'm at my neighbor's church for a birthday party, and there are 5 carrier air conditioners here, and I guess I'll film them. One of them's running, the biggest one, that one there, you know. Okay, we'll start over here and work our way over. This is a carrier from 1996, the 20th week, and it's a 4-ton 38 CKB. So yeah, 4-ton. Yep. And now for this one. This one's from the 20th week of 1996, and it's also a 4-ton 38 CKB. Same exact unit. They're all the same units except for that one. This unit that's running is running in cooling mode because it's a straight cool unit. This is a 5-ton from the 20th week of 96. That's cold and sweaty. No big disconnect. And this little dude next to it is a 4-ton from the 20th week of 96. So yeah. And they all have scroll compressors and they're all straight cool units. And then last but not least, we got this dude here, and this is from the 20th week of 1996. It's also a 4-ton, 38 CKB. So, I just wanted to point out something on this first unit here. Some dipshit here replaced the fan motor, and look at that beautiful job that they did. You know, look at that, Emerson. Yeah, buddy. This building was built in 1996, so these are all original, and they're all straight cool units matched up to gas furnaces, which are in the attic. There's the gas meter, and that's what the flue pipes look like. And I'm using my mom's Nikon camera because, you know, I forgot my camcorder. But yeah, it's blowing out warm air. It's working good. And then right over there is a Goodman, which is just wonderful. Maybe that's a Nordine, I can't really tell. And then over there is an American Standard. All these houses here were built in the early 90s, so these are those 2 units aren't original. So yeah. 5 1996 carrier air conditioners, one of which is running. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Here's one of the thermostats. It's a Honeywell, and it's all the thermostats here are like mismatched. None are the same. So, this is newer. And through here. Oh yeah, it's running. It's pouring cold. Are the units? All right, another unit just kicked on. Oh, that one's off, that big one. It was this one. The one with the replaced fan motor. That's cold. And that's cold. It's not working right. Blowing cold air out in the fan. It's that unit there though. Alright. One more view. That main unit does the fellowship hall. Those 2 units do the sanctuary, and then those 2 do the office areas and the Sunday school rooms.